Want Dola AI to understand your schedule and help you avoid conflicts? Sharing your calendar is one of the best ways to unlock smarter scheduling and reminders. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to share your calendar with Dola AI, connect the right account, and verify that everything is working correctly. So let's get started. Start by opening Dola AI on your computer or mobile device and signing in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to your account settings and calendar integration options. Next, open the Settings or Integrations section and locate the Calendar Connection options. This is where you can manage the calendars that Dola AI is allowed to access. Choose the calendar service you want to use, such as Google Calendar, Apple Calendar, or Outlook Calendar. Sign in to the selected account if prompted, then review the requested permissions before continuing. Allow Dola AI to access your calendar by approving the requested permissions. Depending on your calendar provider, you may be asked to grant access to view your events, create new events, or update existing ones. Once the connection is complete, return to Dola AI and check that your calendar appears in the connected accounts list. If available, confirm that synchronization is enabled for the connected calendar. Create a simple test event in Dola AI or your connected calendar. Wait a few moments, then check whether the event appears in both places. This helps confirm that your calendar is properly connected and synchronized. If you ever need to switch calendars or remove access, return to the calendar settings in Dola AI. From there, you can disconnect an account, connect a different calendar, or update your synchronization preferences whenever needed. And that's how to share your calendar with Dola AI. Once your calendar is connected, Dola AI can help you organize your schedule, manage reminders, and reduce scheduling conflicts more efficiently. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more practical guides, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.